Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl here from Miss Breezy and you're highly welcome to my channel. So guys, we went to kill goats today. Not we or he went to kill goats today, and we normally buy full goat meat and store in the fridge because for me it's better, it's more cheaper. Because if you are going to store to go and get 1 kilo, 2 kilo, those ones will cost you a lot of money. So better just go and kill the full goat, then store it in your freezer. It's better. So today he went to kill goat, so we are about to like tie it, prepare it. I want to show you how I store my goat meat in the freezer. You can store this goat meat for 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, nothing will happen to it. So I'm going to be showing you today how I store mine in the freezer. So keep watching this vlog. Right now he already used the axe to cut them, like break the bones. So what we are going to be doing, the work we are going to be doing here now is like cutting the meat little by little, the way I'm going to be using it to cook little by little, so that each time I want to cook it will not stress me much. I'll just bring it out from the freezer, then it melts it and then cook it. That's it. So guys, keep watching this.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for.
No sé.
You don't do that?
Pues sí.
That was disgusting. I didn't do that. Guys, when we are in Libya, that there's no food. We just did thumbnail and he put the raw goat meat in his mouth. I say it's disgusting. Really, when we are in Libya, that there was no food there. If I see raw goat meat, then I go flex them. I too flex them. If I not flex them, what I get? Oh my god. So guys, these particular ones that I selected out is just bones. It's just the meat, the goat meat bones. I don't know, I like bone a lot, so for that reason I'm going to cook this bone. Just use it to cook pepper soup. I remember when I was in Nigeria, I normally go to the market just to buy bones. then I'll use it to do pepper soup and I'll enjoy it a lot. So I'm going to cook this one as pepper soup, although I don't have pepper soup spicy, but I want to cook it like that because I can't go downstairs right now to go and buy it. So I'll be cooking it like that. Here is the bone. Most of the meat, you can see my sink is filled up, so I need to be tied them now in the nylon that we are going to be using to put them in the freezer. So I'll put them according to the way I'm going to be using it to cook, so that each time I want to cook, I'll just remove it from the freezer and then melt it, cook. So let me start tying it.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. We run and go still every time.
So guys, at this point we finish cutting the meats and I've arranged them in the nylon according to how I'm going to be using them to cook. Yeah, you see those ones in those white nylon and the ones I'm going to be using for cooking. You can see each time I want to cook, I'll just remove one from the freezer, then melt it and cook. And those ones in the green nylons are the ones for the pepper soup. Those ones now for pepper soup, you know, everywhere pepper soup. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. This is the end of this video and I will see you all in my next video. For now, bye bye.